Hey everybody, it's Linda. I'm calling on the Holy Bird Tribe. I'm calling on the divinity of the 144. I am calling forth a soul group who knows who they are and is awakened. And I'm calling on you to just have fun with that knowledge in the bubble of reality that you're in, but connect to the grid, all of you. It's as simple as knowing it and then reach for the sun. So everybody think about sun coming out, the sun. Wherever you are, whatever time it is when you see this video, matters not. Just trust what is within your heart and visualize the sun coming out. The birds singing, just see it, visualize it, feel it. Okay? And let the praise flow from your energy light to connect to all within the radius of whatever point you are feeling, being, holding. Wherever your pillar is, take deep breaths and allow the filaments to flow through the line formations right into your physical vessel. And know that you are who you are and one with your group. It just is what it is. We're here, we're ready.